Introduction. You see in this picture a small girl Shamla. She is going with her parents to watch a game of kabaddi in their town. Now children, this is a desi game, kabaddi. How it is played, see. There are two teams. आपको दिख रहा है दो team? Yes. So this is what a kabaddi is like. It's pushing and pulling, screaming and shouting, dragging and falling on the ground. It's a rough game. Yes, it has many rules. It is lots of fun and lots of exercises. Holding your breath while running and continuously saying kabaddi kabaddi. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to learn about the numbers of players and rules in kabaddi, discuss on discrimination based on the basis of gender. Okay, so kabaddi and also trying to touch the players of the opposite team. So many things to do in kabaddi. You cannot do this as long as you can hold your breath. There are two halves, so and then there's a break of 5 minutes between the game. You need to use your body, your mind, and in this game. You have to use your strength to pull or stop the players. At the same time, you have to think about how to enter the other side. You have to decide whom to touch quickly and come back. If you get caught, then how do you reach the line in the center? दिख रहा है आपको ये बच्चे कैसे खेल रहे हैं अपना गेम? Yes, you need lots of energy. आपको बहुत सारा एनर्जी चाहिए. So next time when you play, we focus on your attentions on your legs, arms and eyes. You will notice that good coordination is required between eyes, legs and arms. दिख रहा है? Now children, what are importance of games? आपको गेम से क्या क्या मिलता है? Yes, it keeps you fresh. You're physically active. You're smart. It develops your body. दिख रहा है? अब ये अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के बारे में है चिल्ड्रन. गर्ल्स डू नॉट गेट मेनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़. देयर इज़ ऑलवेज अ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बिटवीन देम. वो कहते हैं कि अगर लड़कियां गेम्स खेलेगी तो उनकी शादी नहीं होगी. ऐसा होता है? नाउ दिस हैज़ बिन प्रूव्ड रॉन्ग. अभी बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ अभियान है ना. यू सी गर्ल्स हाउ दे एक्सेल इन ऑल फील्ड्स. अभी तो आपने गर्ल्स को भी देखा है, क्रिकेट में भी गर्ल्स है. So they have come upon. It's not like previous time. Summary क्या हुआ? What did we learn? Let us summarize. हमने क्या पढ़ा इस chapter में? There are 8 players in each team playing kabaddi. The duration of the match is 2 halves of 20 minutes with a half-time break of 5 minutes. Games provide good exercises and make us mentally alert and physically strong. तो आपको पता चला? Girls and boys should be equally supported in sports and education. Okay children, now we'll see women's sports stars. Those who have excelled in the field of sports. Now see, this photo is of Sarita Gaikwad. She was born in Kardambi village of Dang district on 1st June 1994. Sarita Lakshmanbai Gaikwad is a Gujarati sprinter. She is from Gujarat. Her parents are busy with farming. She specializes in the 400 meters running race and 400 meters hurdles. She won gold medals in women 4 into 400 meters relay race at the 218 Asian Games. Gujarat government has selected her as a brand ambassador for Beti Bachao Abhiyan. Now children, ये जो photo है ये सरिता गायकवाड़ का है. She was born in Dang district. Now Dang is a district like we stay in Kutch district ना. ऐसा डांग एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट है हमारे स्टेट का, गुजरात स्टेट में. शी वॉज ब्रॉट अप देयर. सी, शी इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट फ्रॉम अ वेरी प्रोफेशनल हाई-फाई क्वालिफाइड फैमिली. हर पेरेंट्स वर बिजी विद फार्मिंग. शी इज़ अ डॉटर ऑफ अ फार्मर. नाउ शी हैज़ won so many medals And in women sports, she's made us proud. So she's pride of Gujarat. Name is Sarita Gaikwad. Okay, children, have you seen or read about her in the newspaper? She is Karnam Malleshwari. She is a weightlifter. ये आंध्र प्रदेश में रहती है. She lives in Andhra Pradesh. Her father is a police constable. Malleshwari started lifting weights when she was 12 years old. See, she's involved with weightlifting game. Now she can lift a weight of 130 kilograms. When she was 12 years old, तब से वो उठा रही है. Now she can lift a weight of 130 kilograms. Karnam Malleshwari has won 29 medals in international events. Her 4 sisters also practice weightlifting. See, she's pride. ये pride है इंडिया का. Normally, girls are not allowed. They don't get highlighted ना. उनको स्पोर्ट्स मना करते हैं. But she proved herself. We are proud of her ना. In games, international events. See, this game is known as weightlifting. दिख रहा है जो ये उठा रही है? Yes, ऐसे weight उठाना होता है. This normally, if you have seen, majority males do. This is a game of male. पर ऐसा नहीं होता है. She proved herself. She is Karnam Malleshwari. आंध्र प्रदेश में रहती है. So, how dedicated. एक चीज़ देखना बच्चों, जो डेडिकेटेड थे ना, उन्होंने ही लाइफ में सक्सेस पाया है. Now children, look at this photograph. Don't they look like simple grandmothers? But they are different. Now this picture is of the 3 sisters, Jwala, Leela and Hira. They lived in Mumbai. All these 3 of them played kabaddi and taught the game to others. वो खुद तो खेलती थी पर दूसरों को भी सिखाती थी. Jwala tells, when we were young, girls were not allowed to play. People thought that if girls played such tough games or rough games, nobody would marry them. They also said that the girls had to wear boys' clothes to play kabaddi. That is why they stopped girls from playing. When they were young, their father died. Their mother and mama, maternal uncle, brought them up. Both uncle used to play kabaddi and kho-kho. They encouraged these 3 girls to play kabaddi. ज्वाला एंड लीला वो अपने एक्सपीरियंस में बताते हैं कि 50 years ago when we started to play kabaddi, girls never got a chance to play. Parents did not let them to go, but we always felt that we should play, and uncle and mother both supported them. इन 3 बहनों ने तो सीखा ही, पर इन्होंने दूसरों को भी सिखाया. And they formed a kabaddi club which is active even today. अपने दिनों को याद करके उनको ऐसा लगता था कि लीला और हीरा जो 2 बहनें थी, उन्हें अपनी एक बात याद आ रही थी कि they won many matches which they were about to lose. Once in a big city they went to play and the game was at 6:30. तो they went to watch a movie और मूवी में noise and disturbance हुआ. It was created by their mama ji who was looking for us in the hall with a torch. When he found us, he gave us a big scolding. हमें भी डांट पिटती है ना अगर हम कुछ ऐसा काम करते हैं जो अपने पेरेंट्स से छुप कर. सो वी शुड नॉट डू दैट. सो चिल्ड्रन, हमने इस चैप्टर में क्या क्या सीखा? वी लर्नड अबाउट कबड्डी. वी सॉ द स्पोर्ट्स स्टार्स, ऑल फीमेल्स. हमने कर्नम मल्लेश्वरी को देखा, हमने सरिता गायकवाड़ को देखा, हमने स्टोरी ऑफ 3 सिस्टर्स देखा. राइट? सो रीड द चैप्टर एज ऑलवेज आई टेल यू. And have a wonderful day, kids.